Hello, friends. Do you know where we live? We live in houses. The place where humans live is known as a house. What about animals? Where do they live? Let's learn with me. Home of a bear is known as cave. I live in a cave. Home of a dog is known as kennel. I live in a kennel. Home of a bee is known as beehive. I live in beehive. Home of cow, buffalo, ox is known as barn or shed. I live on a barn. Home of a horse is known as stable. I live in a stable. Mice, rabbit, beavers, these animals live in a burrow. I live in a burrow. Home of tiger and a lion is known as den. I live in a den. Home of ant, insects, beetles is known as anthill. I live in anthill. Home of a hen and chick is known as coop. We lay eggs and live in coop. Home of a bird is known as nest. It lays eggs and lives in it. I live in a nest. Hope you have learned a lot along with me about animal homes. Thank you for watching.